My mother became an orphan when she was only 7 years old, when both of her parents died tragically. And growing up, I heard many stories of her hardship growing up in Kazakhstan. So for the longest time, I wanted to help out the orphans around the world in some way or somehow to be a contribution to them. And by the series of divinely guided events, I was guided to the Spoon Foundation, whose mission is to end malnutrition in orphanages around the world by empowering and supporting the caregivers who take care of those orphans with disabilities in countries like Kazakhstan, Vietnam, Eastern Europe, China, Africa. My whole family feels very passionately about the Spoon Foundation's mission, and my children, Karina and Mia, have started the Spoon Club in their school to raise awareness and funds to support Spoon. So this coming weekend, October 26th, Roger and I and my children are coming to yoga together in Houston to raise funds for Spoon Foundation. So I invite you to come and join us for a yummy, exquisite, feel-good yoga, powerful meditation, and please consider making a donation to support Spoon. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next Saturday.